Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add any friend or how to tag anyone on your Facebook story on a Facebook Lite app. So you can see it's the Facebook Lite app interface. So simply click here, add to story. So I'm just going to click here and then search any picture, videos or text you want. So this time I'm going to choose the picture, and after that click here stickers. Okay, and then you can see the option tag. You can see the four option: location, music, time and tag. So simply click on tag. Once you click on tag, then you will see suggestion. I don't have any friend in this account, that's why they don't have, they don't show any friend. If you want to tag a specific one, click search, and you can type like Alex or anyone. So you have to type your friend name, then when it choose, then click on your friend name and it will be added here and people will see your tag. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more and thank you for watching.